guys, so I'm working on a kitchen here today, and I've got to drill a bunch of pocket holes because in my kitchens I use pocket holes everywhere. So that being said, what I'm going to set up, this pocket hole machine here, right here somewhere, so I get it in the view with me. This thing is an animal, guys. I've drilled so many holes with this thing, and it just keeps going forever and ever, really. And all it uses really is a few bolts, a couple of springs, and you know, I needed a Kreg jig and a drill, but other than that, pretty easy to get parts. And what I'm going to do is show you this thing in action this morning. Try to get some good angles of the different little mechanics that I got going on under the hood of this thing, so you guys can see it. So again, guys, this is my foot-operated pocket hole machine. It just uses a few simple levers and a few simple bolts to make this, and a drill and a Kreg jig to make it into one pocket hole drilling machine, as you'll see. So there you have it, guys. She is quite a rig. I know it's dirty around it, and I'm not going to take the time to make it look perfect. I've been using this thing for probably, it's over 5 years, I'm sure, and I've only ever broke it just a few times, and it's just usually just a piece of wood to fix it and a few screws. I had to beef up the foot paddle on it one time, but other than that, she's pretty bulletproof. So hopefully you guys had fun watching. Hopefully you'll tune into the next video, and thanks for watching this one.